Next one is manufacturing of clay brick process. See, following some of the points has been considered, which governs the selection of brick fields for manufacturing of bricks. First one, it should be linked up with communicating roads so that the material can be conveyed easily. Second, it should be situated on a plain ground. Third, it should be selected in such a way that the earth required for manufacture of bricks is readily and easily available. Fourth, it should be offer all the facilities to workers to employed in the manufacturing process. So in this process manufacturing bricks, the following four distinct operations are involved. So four operations will be carried out for the manufacturing of bricks. One is preparation of clay, second one is molding, third one is drying, fourth one is burning. So first one is preparation of clay. The clay of bricks are prepared as following order. First one is unsoiling. The top layer of soil is about 200 mm is depth is taken out and thrown away. The clay's top soil is fully impurities and hence is to be rejected for the purpose of the preparing of bricks. Second one is digging. The clay is then dug out from the ground. It is spread out the leveled ground just a little deeper than the general level of ground. The height of helps clay is about 600 mm to 1200 mm. Next one is the cleaning. The clay is obtained is processed to digging should be cleaned of stones, pebbles or vegetative matters, etc. If these particles are in the excess, the clay is to be washed and screened. Such process naturally will prove to be a troublesome and expensive. Lumps of clay should be converted into the powder form in the earth crushing roller. So next one is weathering. The clay is made loose and any ingredients is be added to it. It is spread out its top. The blending indicates intimate harmonious mixing. It carried out by taking small a portion of clay over time and turning the mix up and down in the vertical directions. The blending makes clay fit for the next stage for the tempering. So next one is tempering. In the process of tempering, the clay is brought to a proper degree of hardness and it made fit for the next operation of molding. The water is required quantity is added to clay and the whole mass is keened and pressed under the feet of man and cattle. The tempering should be done exhaustively to obtain the homogeneous mass of clay and uniform character.